In this example, you explore adding shapes to PDF documents. You can access this example on our website. Navigate to Examples and then select .NET. Select Course Suite Examples and then select Shapes to navigate to the example. You can access the source on GitHub. The project on GitHub is examples-dynamicpdf-course-suite-.net-core, and the file is add-shape-example.cs. In this example, we first add a line to a PDF document. Next, we illustrate adding a rectangle to a PDF. Then we add a circle to a PDF. And we finish by adding an abstract shape to a PDF using paths. So let's get started by adding a line. Let's start with the class, but with one static method named run. Because we're going to use this class for multiple shapes, add a method called addLine. Create a new document instance. Add the namespace to the class. Create a new page instance. Add the page to the document's pages collection. Now add a new line. Be sure to use the page elements namespace and not the Layout Engine layout elements namespace. In the line's constructor, set the starting X and starting Y and ending X and ending Y. Also specify the line's color as black and line style as solid. Set the line's line cap as round. Add the line to the page's elements collection. Now add a second line and add it to the page's elements collection. For the second line, set its color to blue and its line style to -large. Call the document's draw method and specify the path to the PDF file to create. Add the method to the run method above. Add shapeexamples.run to program.cs and ensure the other examples are highlighted out so they don't run as well. Run the application, wait for it to run. Now go to the output folder and open the PDF. And the PDF has 2 lines drawn on the page. Now let's add a rectangle to a PDF. Add a new method named addRectangle. Create a new document instance. Add a new page instance to the document's pages collection. Create a new rectangle instance. In its constructor, set its dimensions. Also set its border color, fill color, and border width and line style. Set the rectangle's corner radius as 10. Add the rectangle to the page's elements collection. specify the document's draw method to draw the created PDF to a file. Now add the Add Rectangle method to the Run method. Run the application. Wait for it to run. Now open the PDF, and you see the rectangle drawn on a PDF document. Now let's add a circle to a PDF document. Create the method Add Circle. Go ahead and copy and paste the code creating the document page from above. Create a new circle, and in its constructor, specify its X and Y location and its radius. Specify its border color as black, fill color as light blue, and its line style as solid. Create a second circle, only change its location, and change its fill color to lime. Add both circles to the page's elements collection. Follow the document's draw method to write the created PDF to a file. Run the application. Open the created PDF, and we see a PDF with the two circles. Now for the final example, let's add an abstract shape to a PDF document. Create a document instance and a page instance, and add the page to the document's pages collection. Create a new path instance. In its constructor, specify its XY coordinates. Then specify its line color, fill color, and line width. Specify the line style as solid and close path as true. Add a curve subpath to the path. Now add a line subpath to the path. Now add curve to subpath and add it to the path subpaths collection. Add a curve from subpath and add it to the subpaths collection. Now add the path to the page's elements collection. Specify the document's draw method to draw the output to a PDF document. Add the add path method to the run method. Run the application. Open the created PDF document, and the shape was drawn to the PDF document. Access the DynamicPDF Course Suite for .NET NuGet package from our website or directly from NuGet. Learn more about shapes from our online documentation. Also, refer to Chapter 5, Vector Graphics, in the book DynamicPDF Course Suite for .NET by Example. You can find this PDF on GitHub. DynamicPDF Course Suite for .NET is easy to use and straightforward. With a free evaluation edition to try, and with flexible and royalty-free licensing options, why not try DynamicPDF Course Suite today? I'm James, Developer Evangelist at DynamicPDF, reminding you, when you think PDF, think DynamicPDF Course Suite. See you next time.